Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to put a quadratic function into vertex form. Firstly, a quadratic function of the form function of x is equal to ax² plus bx plus c, with a is not equal to 0, can be rewritten in vertex form by completing the square. Secondly, u plus v squared expanded gives you u squared plus 2uv plus v squared. Because of this rule, if we expand x plus b over 2a squared, we get x squared plus 2 times x times b over 2a plus b over 2a squared. Now this expression can be simplified. We can cancel out the 2 over here and the 2 over here. When we simplify, we get x squared plus b over a times x plus b over 2a squared. Now if we subtract b over 2a squared from both sides of this equation, we end up with x plus b over 2a squared minus b over 2a squared is equal to x squared plus b over a times x. Now to put a quadratic function into vertex form, this identity over here is going to be essential. Also, don't forget that a cannot be equal to 0. Okay, now we have the tools to put a quadratic function into vertex form. We first start off with f of x is equal to ax² plus bx plus c. We then factorize like so, pulling out the a, and from here we get a times, in brackets, x² plus b over a times x. We close the brackets, and on the outside we have plus c. Now the next step is, within these brackets, we replace this expression with this expression right over here. That is because we have this identity over here. So now we get a multiplied by, in brackets, x plus b over 2a squared minus b over 2a squared, close the brackets, plus c on the outside. From here we distribute, giving us a times x plus b over 2a squared minus a times b over 2a squared plus c. From here, on the next line, if we slightly expand, we get a times x plus b over 2a squared minus a times b squared over 4a times a plus c. Now what happens is, on this line over here, these a's cancel out. So we end up with a multiplied by x plus b over 2a squared minus b squared over 4a plus c. Now this ultimately means that a quadratic function in vertex form is a times x plus b over 2a squared plus c minus b squared over 4a. This function over here is exactly the same as f of x is equal to ax² plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Now notice that for this function, when x is minus b over 2a, you get c minus b squared over 4a. And it turns out that the turning point of the curve is minus b over 2a, c minus b squared over 4a. The x component is minus b over 2a, and the y component is c minus b squared over 4a. On Desmos, we can graph the quadratic function ax² plus bx plus c, and we can see that the turning point on this graph, labelled over here, is minus b over 2a, c minus b squared over 4a. So that's how to apply this turning point. The great thing about having the quadratic function in vertex form is that you are able to find the turning point very, very easily. If you have any questions related to this video, please leave them in the comment section and I'll respond as soon as I can. For more videos like this, make sure you are a subscriber to this channel. For more tips, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. See you next time.